morning everyone. I am Joselito Espada Jr. and in this vlog I am going to talk about my roles in protecting and rehabilitating the environment and ecosystem. So in this vlog I am going to show you how I personally try to go about rehabilitating the environment and ecosystem. One of my roles is to make a personal statement about why I feel it is important to be environmental conscious. So in this vlog, I am going to touch topics including plastic pollution, massive species extinctions, deforestation, and the environment. When I think about the environment, I imagine trees spinning in the wind, birds flying in the air, and fish swimming in clear water. To me, these images symbolize freedom. But when I look around, I can't help but notice that real life looks a lot different from what I imagined. In fact, in the past 50 years alone, over a billion trees have been cut down. We are losing about one football field of rainforest every second. And the number of species that go extinct every year is 1,000 times higher than it should be to maintain healthy living conditions. So what's even more alarming is that many of these problems can be linked back to human activity. In fact, a large amount of plastic ends up in the ocean each year. But the worst part is that plastic doesn't biodegrade, which means once it ends up in the ocean, it never goes away. Some of the plastic even makes its way to the inside of fish and other sea creatures in water and in land. This would result to massive species extinction because a lot of animals and even us, humans, depend on it. And plastic pollution is a serious cause for concern, but it isn't the only one. In fact, if things aren't done about it soon, many other species might go extinct as well. So how can we prevent it? We must resort to reforestation and stop using plastic altogether. So reforestation is an act of planting new trees to replace the ones that have died. During my second year in CMU, I have participated in a reforestation activity organized by an in-campus organization. Here in our place, I also put cellophanes and plastics into separate garbage cans. I involve myself in this activity because it is important. Reforestation is important because there are some parts of the world where certain species of plants don't exist anymore or they are on the verge of extinction. So as a species, we can protect and even restore species to their original habitat, but only if we work together. But even if we don't have the chance to be alive for these years to happen, we should think about our grandsons and daughters who will benefit from it. We should not deprive them the chance to experience the world as their ancestors did because of our careless actions. We should not deprive our grandchildren of experiencing nature. We need to care for our environment with this purpose in mind. We need to be environmental conscious. Environmental conservation might not be the easiest thing to do, but it is one of the most important things to do. From recycling to reforestation, there are many ways that I try to protect the environment. So try to be environment conscious so that my actions do not go against my own value. So also I am doing this because I believe it is important to bring awareness out there. And that's all for my blog, and thank you for watching.